Now the thing is this is not the only one number which is falling under the between the these two numbers. Okay, there are many other number can be can be placed here. Okay, actually are there. So the next problem is like that. Suppose we have 3 and 3.5. Okay, we have the problem is that we have 3 and 3.5 and we need to find three numbers between those numbers. Okay, so the problem is find three numbers between those numbers. Okay, so what we will do? So what we will do? Now we will do the same thing. What we will do? The first number is 3 plus 3.5 by 2 by 2. So this one is 6.5 by 2. Okay, so this can be written as 3.25. Okay, the second one will be so this is the mid number. This number is actually between the 3 and 4, so we can write 3 comma 3.25 comma 3.5. so this one is the first number which falls under the between the 3 and 3.5. Now the second one. So now we will find this number, the middle number. So what we will do? 3. Okay. So 3 plus 3.25 by 2. So that one is 6.25 by 2. So this can be written as 3. That one. So we can write 3 comma 3.1. The second number is 3 comma 3.125 comma 3.25 comma 3.5. Now we will find these two numbers. Okay, the middle number. So what we will do? The third one will be 3 plus 3.125 divided by 2. So now 6.125 divided by 2. So what will be the result? 3.6 2 and then 5. So the third number is, so we can write 3 comma 3.625 comma 3.125 comma 3.25 comma 3.5. So like that we can find the middle numbers. Okay, so this is all for the day. Next day we will come with other problems of the rational number, and then we will start the irrational numbers. So irrational numbers, I am giving you just touch on the irrational number. Irrational number is the numbers which are not actually rational numbers. These are the irrational numbers. Means the numbers we cannot write in a form of P by Q, where Q is greater than 0. If any number we cannot represent in the form of P by Q, this number cannot be the rational number. The numbers are actually irrational numbers. Okay.